Do you want to personalize your playlist with your own cover image? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can easily change the playlist cover in Samsung Music using a photo from your gallery or camera. To do so, open Samsung Music. Make sure you are in the playlist tab. Next, tap the playlist you want to edit. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap change cover image. Here you can choose gallery to select a photo or choose camera to take a new picture. As example, let's choose gallery. Select the desired photo. If needed, adjust the selected area by resizing or moving it. And then tap done. As you can see, the selected photo has been used as the cover of the selected playlist. So that's how you change the playlist cover in Samsung Music on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's simple, quick, and fully customizable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.